शायद ये लॉगिन मेरे फोन से नहीं हो रहा है अभी, हाँ, इसीलिए। बट इट्स showing only 72 where at the race I don't know. Okay,
Sir,
Mohit,
is my
please,
screen available?
yes, please, first you just entering the
Yes, I'm
simulator.
available.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
Mohit,
yeah.
you just
Yes, yes.
click on.
Yeah, yeah.
Mohit, mute yourself.
Mohit,
Yes, sir.
am I?
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Okay, now it's okay.
Yes, sir, it's okay.
Okay, Mohit, first you just enter to the simulator, entering your ID and password. Then you share your screen. Till now
Sir,
you
I've
off.
already, sir, I've
Okay, okay,
already logged in it.
okay, okay, it's okay. अरे जो भी है वेटिंग रूम को उसके अलाउ करो मोहित।
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
No, no, click on the, yes, click on the participant. Yes, view. Click on the view.
Yes.
Admin talk.
Admit, yes.
Okay, no, 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 Mohit, not that. Click on this diagram. Yes, click on this LED. Double click.
Yes, sir. Yes,
This
sir. Yes,
green
sir.
arrow. Yes, connect this. Okay, this one
Yes,
is a
sir.
connect. Any then this one another. Not just click on the LED. There is a green mark arrow. Okay, you have to. This one is circuit. Okay, you just
Yes,
connect the
sir.
circuit. Okay, there देखो connect करो. Connect this one. No, ठीक से connect करो.
Yes, sir. One second.
This this not, yes, right. Student, is it clear? Is it visible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
visible.
sir.
Yes, yes, very good. Okay, Mohit, very good. No, no, no. ठीक से. Yes. वो जो ऊपर पे जो सर्किट है ना, वो सर्किट
Yes,
अभी
sir.
हम यहाँ पे जो भी आपको फिजिकली करना चाहिए था ये आप वर्चुअली हो रहा है. ओके, दिस वन आर वायर कनेक्टेड टू मेक दिस सर्किट, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Any more wire to connect?
नो, यस, रेजिस्टेंस. क्लिक ऑन द रेजिस्टेंस.
Yes, sir.
The open end of this resistance. Open end of this resistance.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, everything written in the procedure section you can check it. Okay. Mohit, please click on
Mm-hmm.
the, actually go to the, please out your screen. Go to the left corner, there is a variable section. No, 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 not in the simulator, Yes, the determination of Planck constant of the दोबारा करना होगा ये अब. Yes. So student, you can check. Okay, click on it. देखो ये red lead having wavelength of 650 nanometer. तो इससे आपको इसका frequency निकालना है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And this frequency will be put into this table 1 that are already given to in the PDF. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, यहाँ पे 5 color है. तो 5 कलर के लिए आपको करना होगा. Okay, Mohit, do it again.
Yes.
Connect it. Do it
Yes,
fast.
yes.
Click on the LED and please screen को छोटा करो अभी, Mohit.
Sir, my screen is getting freezed.
But it is not. It's half is shown here. Okay. Yes. और भी छोटा करो. Okay. बस 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 बस.
Yes.
Click on LED. Do it fast, Mohit.
Yes, sir. One
और
second.
यहाँ पे जो भी टेबल दिया है ना, इसको फिलअप करना नहीं. मोहित देखो तो कोई भी वेटिंग रूम पे है कि नहीं.
1 second, sir. Yes,
कोई
sir. I
है?
have admitted. हाँ
एडमिट
sir,
करो.
admit कर दिया. Yes.
ओके, डू इट.
Sir, mine is connected, sir, already.
ये
Mine is connected already. I'm using a computer.
ये साइट का प्रॉब्लम है. जब कनेक्ट डेटा पे नहीं लिखा है, इसको कनेक्ट करो, हो जाएगा. The right side is the emitter and left side is the okay. This one is the left side. This one is voltmeter. Okay. Right side is the emitter. Okay. करें.
স্যার ওপরের ওই দুটো কি দুটো?
বলছি এটা একটা ব্যাটারি. যার left corner is the this one is the battery. Right corner is the rheostat. Okay, you can control the voltage by using the rheostat. If you increase the resistance, voltage will decrease. Sorry, if you decrease the rheostat, voltage will decrease. Okay.
হ্যাঁ স্যার.
Voltage को decrease करना है तो the current will zero.
স্যার স্যার ওয়েভলেন্থ 650 স্যার ওয়েভলেন্থ 650 ন্যানোমিটার আছে, ওইটা কি মিটারে কনভার্ট করে নেব?
ডিভাইড করে
মানে যখন যখন কম্পিউটারে যখন তোমার ইউনিটে ঢালবো তখন কি ন্যানোমিটারে রাখবো নাকি মিটারে কনভার্ট করে করে রাখবো?
T by lambda will be given to frequency in hertz. It should be 10 to the 14 order. Okay. This mass. Yes. Mohit, click on the
Yes, sir,
variable
sir.
to the left. Yes. This जहाँ पे LED था. Okay. Click on this. Yes. Insert key.
Insert key. Yes.
Rheostat should be maximum.
Yes, sir. Maximum. 1 second, sir.
Just increase this one. Yes. Maximum. Maximum करो. Rate click on it. और rate to be maximum.
Do 424.
Red light glowing. Voltage 4.5 volt and current is 3.75 milliampere.
Yes, sir.
Decrease the rheostat. Decrease it slowly
Okay.
so that current at some point. No, not so fast. So you have to record it. Just decreasing. Keep decreasing. it decrease
Okay,
here.
sir.
At some point it will be zero. Current will zero. You have to
স্যার ফোর
click on
টোয়েন্টি থ্রি
the
যে জিরো হয়ে যাচ্ছে
Sir, 424.
yes. Decrease it. After getting zero, all is just it will be zero. Yes, this one. So now decrease it here. So 1 point minute. Then you have to record the initial point when the current is. Just decrease it.
Okay, sir.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Decrease it slowly. Yes. Student, you can check it. Please click on the background and
Sir, you're not audible properly.
now am I? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You're audible.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Audible.
sir, now you are audible.
Okay. So student देखो 1.778 volt. That is the stopping potential for red color. Is that portion clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this stopping potential should be in the table 2 corresponding to red color. ये समझ आया?
Sir,
Sir,
may you
what?
explain it once again?
This stopping potential would be in the table 2. In the PDF, there are two tables. One is the frequency, another is the stopping potential table.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes,
that
sir.
is the
So
stopping
1.8
potential table. Yes,
1.89 वोल्ट भी आ रहा है
1.77. No, कहाँ पे ये zero हुआ है? This should be recorded. And if this is do so, your graph will be straight line. If not so, then your graph will be fluctuated.
एमीटर का रीडिंग 0 है 1.89 में भी
तो ये इनिशियलिटी लेना है.
क्या लेना है सर
कहाँ से ये जीरो स्टार्ट होता है. ओके, इट विल बी देयर. मोहित, प्लीज
Yes,
गो
sir.
टू द ब्लू कलर. एंड वन थिंग स्टूडेंट, ब्लू कलर का वेवलेंथ दिया नहीं है यहाँ पे. देखो, ओके. आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग इट, इफ यू क्लिक ऑन द रिजल्ट, it will give you the wavelength. Okay, Mohit, click on the blue light. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes. Rheostat maximum. Rheostat maximum, just decrease it slowly. So that we have to take the point where it is zero. Okay. Okay, Mohit. So
Yes,
it
sir.
is 4.5 volt and 3.75 milliampere. So please decrease it. Mohit. Decrease it slowly.
At 580.
Decrease it slowly. You will check. Yes. Just slowly. Decrease it. Decrease it. Decrease it. Decrease. Yes. This one. So 2.453. That is the stopping potential for blue color. Okay. And one thing, students, please click on the result. Mohit.
Sir, reset.
No, result.
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 Okay, sir. So result.
Yes. Click
Yes,
on the
sir, application.
click on the result, not for result. Yes. So student, you can check the wavelength. That is 475 nanometer. Okay. That is the blue color के लिए जो okay. So this one is the wavelength for corresponding to blue color. बोलो, this is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
Clear, sir.
क्लियर सर
Please with me host and stop sharing.
Okay, sir.
share?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear till now?
Sir, is it okay now? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Is it all right now?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Please tell me have you any problem regarding that?
No, sir.
Everyone, I want your response.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, I'm doing the experiment
No,
now,
sir.
but the values are a bit different.
Okay,
No, sir.
because you have the time from I think 2:10 to
Sir,
do it, write it from your PDF, take a photo, make PDF, send to the assignment.
sir,
Sir,
Yes, yes,
sir.
sir বলছিলাম
yes, yes.
বল বলে দে
You can.
আচ্ছা
tell me.
স্যার বলছিলাম যে ওই স্যার পিডিএফ থেকে স্যার শুধু থিওরি আর প্রসিজার বাদ দিয়ে বাকি সব লিখতে হবে
প্রসিডিওর বাদে ওই থিওরিটায় ওই যেটা দেয়া আছে পিডিএফ ওখানে প্রসিডিওর লেখা নেই, সব লিখতে হবে।
Sir, please say English or Hindi so we can understand.
Yes, yes,
Yes, sir.
everything given in the PDF. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just you need to read and write from this. Okay, and there is no procedure for that. Actually, if there is procedure, then you have to neglect it. Okay, you need not to write the procedure part. And
Okay,
in
sir.
the everything actually theory, and you have to write it down on your notebook. Okay, and there are only tables are there.
থিওরি বি হ্যাভ টু রাইট
Everything in the PDF you have to write, right?
ওকে স্যার ওকে স্যার ওকে স্যার ওকে এভরিথিং ইন
And take the data from the simulator, the stopping potential and frequency. And you need to draw a graph along nu versus v. And then after completing this experiment, you submit it in the assignment section in the Google Classroom.
Sir, when do you have to
Excuse me, sir.
submit this?
And one thing, students, actually, my mistake, I just create an assignment for you. I think it's a date. Please tell me the date.
Today is 24.
4 sir.
Yes, yes.
Today is 24th sir.
And in the assignment section, what is the end date?
Sunday, sir.
Sunday.
It will extend it for you. Okay, it will extend 2 or 3 more days. Okay.
Thank you sir.
You have to submit it in last दिन के 5 students. You will take 3 or 4 days extra. Okay, I'll give you. Okay.
Sir, can you please be louder, sir?
Yes.
Sir, we
Your
have to
voice
submit
is
it in
low.
the PDF form, right, sir?
Yes, in the PDF form, and PDF name should be your ID, full ID, and the date.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have to write everything, whatever is given in PDF, means theory, procedure, everything.
No, there is no procedure given actually. Please read it.
Yes, sir. I mean theory. Aim, theory, and apparatus required, and experimental date, specification of theory.
Actually, you have to just add 2 more columns to that table, because in this table there are 3 columns. You have to do it
Yes,
for
sir.
5.
Sir, may you?
So same format.
Okay, okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, why we are first of all maximizing the value of rheostat and then reducing it slowly?
First, the rheostat is getting maximum because you have to increase the reverse potential. Okay, so that current will be 0.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is actually reverse potential applied to that metal so that electron will stop emitting. Okay. So
Like
this
every
voltage-
time we have to change the light of the LED, and then we have to maximize it, and then we have to slowly reduce it. That's
yes,
how we
yes.
will take the reading.
Yes, yes, that is the stopping potential.
Okay.
Any more?
Sir, we have to write in the same format as in the PDF.
Yes, yes. that is the instruction for past experiment. That will changing for different experiments. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
All this instruction will given to you in this class. Okay. I just
Hello, sir.
want to explain. Yes, yes.
Sir, what kind of notebook we have to use for to do assignment?
देखो मैं अभी आपको दिखा दे रहा हूँ जस्ट अ मिनट ये देखो ये जो नोटबुक है ना ऐसे ये फोर का जो है ना ये जो है ऐसे ठीक है
प्रैक्टिकल नोटबुक।
सर
इसी
कवर
पे-
भी लगाना पड़ेगा क्या?
क्या बोलो
कवर लगाना पड़ेगा या ऐसे चलेगा सीधा?
so I think no problem student
Sir,
yes
hello. Sir, do we have to do any graphs for this experiment?
yes of course there could be a graph between mu and v I described these things in the class theory.
Okay, sir. Okay.
After getting this frequency and stopping potential, you need to draw a graph. Plot frequency along x-axis and stopping potential along y-axis. This will be straight line, and this straight line will intersect the v-axis at some point. This will give you the work function.
Sir, frequency will be
Okay,
of different lights.
Yes, for different color.
Oh, yes, sir.
This one, okay. This one will be the graph, straight line. This intersection is phi. This slope is the v, and this is mu, and that is put it into equation h equal to e by mu v0 plus phi. Okay, this is v0. Okay.
And the error one?
Error one is del v0 by v0. Del v0 is the smallest division along v0 axis, and the plus del nu by nu. Del nu is the one smallest division along nu axis. Okay.
Sir.
Del h by h equal to del v naught by v naught plus del nu by nu. So del v naught is the one smallest division along y-axis when you plot the graph, and del nu is the one smallest division along nu axis. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And this v naught and this nu so from this graph, from this slope, this one v0 and this one nu. जो भी v0 और nu का वैल्यू आपको कैलकुलेशन से बैठाना है वो भी आपको एरर पे भी बैठाना है. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you just perform it and here, okay, one student, one thing. Every problem will be go to the CR, okay, CR will select all the problems and I will take extra class or extra time to you, okay, after a week. Then you will discuss with me these all problems, okay, regarding this lab. Firstly WhatsApp, then if okay, no solution, then you can call. Any problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Just enjoy and perform the experiment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Being curious.
sir.
and-
Sir, what we will name the PDF?
Yes, yes.
Sir, what did you
Assignment
say
one.
about naming the PDF?
PDF name should be your ID, then date of performance.
Means today's date or
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.